Hello, and welcome to another update video about Natgas. On the last TradingView, on the last trading day of the week, we saw a little spike here to the upside. To be fair, this doesn't mean much because the spike here to the upside is currently, this move down was a bit messy, but it looks to me as if we are part of, or if we're dealing here with a flat pattern, so that we had in this wave 2 an A wave to the upside, a B wave down, looks like a 3-wave structure to me, and a C wave now to the upside. So this is possible. That could still push a little higher. It's not entirely clear with that gap here. But the point is, and that's what I said before to you, as long as we stay below 260, the current short-term bearish count is valid and preferred. This can surely change. You know that. Natgas is an absolute whipsaw here. It's just, making it very difficult for us at the moment. Overall, the overall scenario hasn't changed. Yeah, we're still expecting here one more low for Natgas in a wave 5. Yeah, to complete this overall larger degree wave 2. It's just not 100% clear what this is. So again, the idea is that the wave 4 actually did sit here. We came down in a wave 1 of wave 5 here on the, and bottomed here on the 14th of April. The move up was only in 3 waves, A, B, C, and then this would have formed a wave 2. In this wave 2, we did react basically to the golden ratio at 261 roughly, and have been coming down quite impulsively. And we could next head down in a 3rd wave, then we should get a 4th and a 5th. Eventually that could take us to around $1, $1.50. Now, what is still possible, and I cannot rule that out, is that before we come down, that we first see this wave 4 to be complete, that this wave 4 is still unfolding. And the alternative count, which is also very likely, to be honest, they are both part of the likely scenario list, that the move of the February low to the upside was not the entire wave 4, it was just the A wave. We came down in a B wave, and this here would be now a C wave to the upside. 1, 2, this would need to be another 1, 2 setup, and then we could climb higher, in a C wave. But the problem is that this has become quite unreliable, this count, due to the strong pullback that we started on the 19th of May. The problem I have with this is that until the 19th of May, this could have been a very nice wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, which fell short a few cents of the ideal target, but hey, it was okay. Then this could have been a wave 4 and a wave 5. The problem is we came down far too low. Okay. Now, in a more bullish interpretation, short term at least, this could still be a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 1, a wave 2, and then the 3rd wave. The problem is context is important, and a few other things. Yes, a 1-2-1-2 setup is possible, and to be fair, as long as we're holding 214, the rally to the upside is also still likely. We cannot rule that out. Just need to be aware of the relevant resistance area, which is 260. So if we see a break above that level, yeah, I will start to focus on the 1-2-1-2 setup scenario. However, as long as we stay below 261, the focus for me would be on the downside. This is the pivot, 260, 261. But yeah, a 1-2-1-2 setup is just something that often turns out to be an ABC. Because if I have an impulse up, which could be a wave 1, I have a correction down, which could be a wave 2, I have an impulse up, which could be a wave 1. At the moment, this is a 3-wave move. This could easily be an ABC. It all depends on, are we now holding support? And the relevant support level here would be $2.14. Yeah, so this is sort of not really any change to previous videos. Just a bit of an update here on the weekend, as tomorrow we are going to start a new trading week. Even though Monday stock market is closed, isn't it? So just need to keep that in mind. And then the spot chart. Similar story. Here though, I still have the more bullish count on the chart, but I'm going to change it now because now we also broke support here. I already told you I just leave it on the chart because we're holding support, but we've lost it now. So also here, the idea needs to be, unless this is also here a 1-2, 1-2 setup, which again is something unreliable. Yeah, you can normally not assume that. So therefore I see, okay, wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would unfold like that roughly. Yeah, so similar, it's the same stuff, you know, as we said on the futures chart. If it is a more bullish 1-2, 1-2 setup, then the pivot point, the bullish one, yeah. So the support that needs to hold now is $2.08. So $2.08 is the last bullish support I have here that's reliable for a 1-2, 1-2 setup. On the flip side as well, if we, what is resistance, right? So if we now go higher and break above 254, 255, then we can consider also this 1-2, 1-2 setup. Until we break above 255, I remain focused directly on the downside. Now, this can still change quickly. We're still ranging here. So it's going to be interesting. Next week is going to be interesting. But yeah, just a reminder of these relevant levels. Situation is not crystal clear. Natgas certainly tests our patience. But overall, the situation hasn't really changed towards the end of the week. Yeah, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.